Hi everyone, it's me, Jenny again, and today we are going over P.volve website workout. Welcome back again. My name is Jenny and this has been a very much requested video. It has been 3 years since I put out that P.volve workout video. Thank you so much for loving my video. I'm still getting comments, I'm still getting requests on the updated workout, and I know that P.volve also updated their workout system. So I thought it would be the right time for me to go over the website, and whether you use your phone to work out or a tablet or on a desktop or laptop, you'll be able to access the same workout. And I actually like a lot of things about the P.volve workout, and I would like to share everything on this video. All right, so we have here, and we're gonna go to pvolve.com. So let's just go into pvolve.com. And when you click, here we are. And as you can see here, Jennifer Aniston is the current spokesperson for this brand. And honestly, she is the vibe. And I just love Jennifer Aniston, but more so, let's just go through this website of Pvolve. Now you can see they've been having recognitions, and they're really well known for their functional fitness and innovative equipment. They have really cool workouts that's portable, yet it's just so versatile. It doesn't even matter of your fitness level, but they also offer locations. So here are this is how you look up your location. So they have bunch of places in US. For example, I'm from New York, so New York Soho location is really solid location. They also have LA location, but they're also currently expanding between US and Canada. So it's really cool for you to work out in the studios if you have access. Now, if you don't have access, that's okay, because they do offer a whole bunch of workouts online, and this is what I'm going to show you now. So let's just click on the Pvolve again, and here we are. Log into streaming by clicking on that log to streaming link, and when you do that, here is my profile. So I've been an avid P.volve workout person. So over 3 years, I have 102 workouts I've done, 52 hours of it. Now, I don't use it every day, but still I use enough to have this much on record. I did sign up for Ultimate Evolution Challenge, but I haven't finished, so you can see these workouts. I just checked it out and I thought it would be a really cool for me to get into. So I'm still just kind of, going in through, but you could pretty much go through your profile homepage showing you what they suggest you sign up for. And there are other series like Summer, just like the ones that I favorite. So like there's versatility. Now, this is how I usually look up classes on Pvolve, which is really cool because see right there, the horizontal scrollable features, which shows you different types of workouts. And there is like, you could start with get started, and you could do strength and sculpt workouts and how you prefer to do maybe cardio burn. I don't know, but there's option of that. But this is where I really, really love. So I love that there's a versatility in every single workout, right? So their database is phenomenal. And this is my favorite, the filter. So the filter is so unique because it has class length and you could choose. And just for the sake of this video, let's choose 16 to 25. And then the pacing. So pretty much there's 3 types of pacing, slow and steady, ebbs and flows, fast pace. And pretty much it's just like low, medium, and high intensity order. But let's choose medium intensity for this purpose. And then trainers, I don't like to be tied down with a trainer or sort, because I just like to try different trainers and learn something new. Sometimes I find that if I keep trying different ones that I learn that I like someone. So there's also equipment. This is where it's really awesome, because if you're first trying Pvolve for the first time, you might not want to commit to doing equipment. By that's the really versatility that Pvolve does offer, which is to have these functional movement workouts without having equipment. Now, if you want to do equipment, you can choose, right? So they do have a bunch of equipment, but let's say you wanted to do P-ball and P-band. So this is an option you would choose, or maybe even adding on the ankle weight. So there's that. And then there's also, you could choose from doing like, I don't know, maybe we should do core today. So let's focus on core. And just, there's, yeah, a lot of collections too, but just the same way. Favorite watch, I don't like to really pick either, because I like to challenge myself and I just like to try different ones. And I want to see what the search shows me. So here we are. This is the search results, and as you can see, there's so many different types, right? And what's so cool about this is that, see, like you never see something like this, posture and shoulder mobility and sculpt. Like this is so unique, and I just find it so unique that like their workout system, I haven't seen it anywhere else. And it's also versatile, it's also convenient. You could also travel with their equipment quite easily. It's not heavy, it's foldable, portable. It's really cool. So when you click on the overview, it's really great because the overview shows you what the workout's gonna look like. So on top, you will see the description and the title description and the instructor, right? So right over there, you see the title, the instructor, and the about, and then the class breakdown, which is really great to know. And just like pacing and everything, so you know what to expect. And on top, you see the trainer working out, so you can see the preview of what the workout will look like. So overall, you also have like whatever equipment or body focus that's required. So it's like a really good run through overview. Maybe this is too much information for you, but maybe you just want to overview before you know what you're getting yourself into. And maybe sometimes if you're like me, you like to plan ahead, and like, you know, some days you want to do full body, some days you want to do upper. So like this really helps quite a bit. And this is like obviously on a day that I just want to pick out a workout without doing series. But for the sake of this run through, let's click on posture and shoulder mobility and sculpt to show you what it looks like. So this is where it lands, right? So when you first get into the video, you could also choose music. Now I know some of you prefer louder music, but maybe some people don't. So you could also change that around. You could also have trainer's voice to be louder, maybe you want it softer. It depends on what you want. And if you decide to scroll them both down, right, then it will be completely muted. So that's how you mute completely if you just want to watch. See right there, it's all muted. Okay. So this will be muted depending on, maybe you just don't want any sound, you know, if you don't have a headgear or something like that. But on top is really cool too, because you could choose a genre of that you prefer to work out in. Maybe you like pop, maybe you like electronic. So depending on that. But also, even within the genre, you could also skip music if you don't like a certain song. So this feature that P.volve really implemented on their website, it's quite great. I haven't seen anything like this just yet with live streaming or even like pre-recorded workouts. So this is when you actually have workout like you want to do consistently. So on the home page, it is recommended workout. It's a consistent workout that you'll be doing, and you don't really need to like commit. And when you do live, this is like a live session, but it's virtual. So you could join a class. Right now, there's a class going on, so you can't sign up for that. But if I wanted to do a class later, then I could reserve by just pressing reserve button, and then you're in, right? So it's really cool. You could, you know, put it on your calendar as a copy, so you could put a reminder for yourself. And this is really awesome how P.volve gives you, like, you could gift a guest pass to your friends, or, you know, like have before you start like some tips for virtual classes. And it's really cool because some of us, like, we're working out at home and you just wanna connect, but you just don't know how it will feel like you're part of the class. So it's really good that they give you like a lowdown of information, what to expect. And now this is how you cancel. You just literally simply press cancel, and it's just easy as that. So no commitments right there. It's easy to just commit. And let's see how far this goes, how far in advance you could actually reserve. Okay, so it seems like you could reserve or book classes up to like about a month ahead. So that's really good if you're planning to just plan out your workout schedule as well as your other parts of your life. And this is a very useful tool for you to just hone in and get into the workouts this way. All right, so here we are in the series section, and you could do transform. So it's really good to do series because these are recommended workouts by P.volve, by the instructors. Now, again, if you are like a beginner to workout, or if you're a beginner to P.volve but you want to try something, I do recommend this series, which is a 5-day body weight sculpt. You do not need equipment. However, all the movements, all the functional movements that they teach you during this 5-day is all the movements that you'll be doing with their equipment. So you get an overview of what their workout is like. There is a taste of high intensity to low intensity to medium intensity. And it's really great because when you decide to get the equipment, it's actually just like a little more enhanced version of this, but it does make a tremendous amount of different impact on your body. And you start seeing it because sculpting classes do build your body quite a bit, whether you use a heavy weight or not. If you feel like you're more for a challenge, then I do recommend this class. It's signature strength and sculpt class. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. And these are their signature equipments, the P-ball and P-band. So I do recommend this if you're just learning about Pvolve, or if you did decide to get these equipment. They're really awesome. And here we are. If you want to purchase their equipment, you could directly do it on their website. They do offer also on Amazon, but this is an easier way to get it. So in the link down below, I did leave a promo based link so you could get intro offer from Pvolve directly, and their shipping is pretty fast, so it's reliable, it's easy. You know that it's not a tube, it's authentic equipment, so that's really awesome too. And right now, if you're just getting started, you might want to try no equipment first. With my 7-day trial first before you decide to commit to doing all these workouts or all these purchases. But if you do commit, I do recommend that you purchase the P-ball and P-band to start off, as they are the signature and they're the fundamentals for Pvolve workouts. So it has been 3 years since I stumbled upon P.volve workout. Since then, there's been many milestones with the company, there's been growth, and I really love the new version of P.volve right now. So if you haven't seen my video from 3 years ago, I'll link it down below so you can check it out. But also check out their new workout system. It is just updated system. It's already from their original formula, and I would love for you to try it. So I'm putting down the links so that you could try your workout for free and get access to the equipment that you might want. And you could also try the free trial without any equipment. Again, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have started your Pvolve journey, and let me know if there's any other workouts that I should try out from Pvolve workout. Thumbs up for me if this video helped you, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Talk soon!